Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I started thinking while that other video was loading, when you use the smoothing tool or even the shape tool and remove nodes, and if you change the shape of your letters, so this is the original clip art. This is what it looks like after I traced it. So it's really close, but I need to clean up some nodes. So this is where your nudge distance comes into factor. I've had it set on 2 inches. I'm going to select this all, and this is my left click, right click, no fill. I have done nothing to it. And I'm going to put it right on top. And I made that item yellow so I can see through it, or I can see it better. And this is where I'm going to take the smoothing tool, and I'm going to start smoothing out. And I'm going to be able to see closer if I get off the line too much. Because that yellow is actually, let's just do this. If we go too far, we'll be in there and you can see the yellow. So this is where the smoothing tool is going to do you such a good job that you shouldn't really have that problem. It's when you start removing nodes with the shape tool is where you get into problems, that you're changing the shape of that person's logo. So let's hit delete on some of these nodes, and you can see we're outside the line now where we weren't before. So you don't know what the shape is, but since you can change these nodes, you can actually make them more like the logo was, if that makes any sense. I would actually try deleting that one, and you can see a little bit of yellow. Close is okay, especially there, that's chipped up, beat up part, but it'll really help you kind of make sure you're not going too far. Let's grab the smoothing tool again to start smoothing this out. And you can just see a little bit of white, but as long as you're within that perimeter, because the yellow isn't perfect anyway. But you know, if you go too far, let's just go too far. And see, then I can see yellow up above that, so we went too far, but we can back up and put it back. So when you use a different color than black and you can see it so much better, that's one way to kind of clean it up. Like this part right there. That's didn't really show up until I did this and I say, oh, there's a circle right there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.